November 17, 2004. Another flood. River of water running down between us and the Lourishes. And look at this yard. Worse than before. Giant flowing river of water. This is actually worse.
There's a tree fell down.
Oh crap!
Yeah.
Oh, I like that tree. Oh wait. No wait, that's not the one. That had already fallen down a long time ago. Yeah. Yeah, that actually I cut down recently. Some of it. But the swales went all the way up to the front here. There's water floating.
Is this one of the worst?
This is the worst I've seen it. Seems like that. You keep saying that though. Every time it's worse. It's a generator. It's an electric generator back there. Alright, these logs cannot stay here anymore. Just one big wide river, like the Mississippi.
No, we said what?
Alright, it's up to my knees. Just about my shorts. Standing by the black gum tree, whatever. Getting close to the 100-year floodplain. Might make it tonight. Right over the bank.
Are those your logs?
I don't know, they might be.
Yeah, I was gonna help her out, but
That's not good.
that can't be good.
That can't be good for an air conditioning unit.
That's the price of my brand new one.
Is that where it is right there?
Stop the night and tell you pull into your driveway.
You tell. Oh.
Look at that big log.
Whoa. Oh yeah, that was. It's gone. They're gonna be so happy. It floated away.
Dad, come here. Look up. Oh, there goes your logs.
This is the Reese's backyard.
Where are they gonna put it? Yeah, they can't do anything until they're closed out.
Raging river. Come on for the camera. There's Ryan, Kathy. Oh, Lynette maintaining her sense of humor. Didn't flow over this area before.
No, not at all.
I mean, someone's up to their little landing on that. I mean,
Yeah.
what's it, about a foot now in your basement?
Yeah, we had 12 inches when I checked this sucker.
I think it's Ryan's dad.
Doesn't look like Ken. I mean, not just because she's wondering what's going on.
It's gotta be the 100-year floodplain.
Okay. Austin, do you want to see our cat? Yeah.
Okay, he can see it, but then you guys are gonna not play up there. There's not a fire truck.